Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken kebabs. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You're also going to need a tablespoon of oregano, 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of whole yogurt, and then you're going to need about 2 zucchinis, 2 pieces of squash, 3 bell peppers. I used a red, orange, and yellow bell pepper. And then you're going to need about 3 pounds of diced chicken breasts. I diced them into big pieces, about 1.5 to 2 inches thick. And then you're going to need 2 large onions and the juice of half a lemon and some wooden skewers. You can use wooden or metal skewers, it doesn't matter. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is marinating the chicken. So we're going to be making the marinade. So in a bowl, you're just going to go ahead and add your chicken, and we're going to add pretty much all the ingredients to the chicken besides the vegetables. And after adding all the ingredients, you're just going to go ahead and mix everything together very well. After mixing everything together, we noticed that we wanted a little more color, so we're going to be adding a teaspoon of paprika. This is optional, it's just for a nice color. After mixing in the paprika, we're going to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to place it in the fridge to marinate for 3 hours. You can marinate for however long you would like, but I prefer to marinate for at least 3 hours. The longer the better. You can even marinate overnight. The chicken has now been marinating for 3 hours, and we're going to go ahead and start placing it on the skewers. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the chicken and vegetables onto the skewers. You can go ahead and assemble it however you like, but I like to add about 4 to 5 pieces of chicken on each skewer, and this will make about 16 of them. Now we went ahead and finished making the skewers. So we're going to go ahead and grill for 10 to 15 minutes on 400, flipping it every few minutes. So after about 3 minutes, I went ahead and flipped them over. So you want to keep flipping them over so they can cook evenly. And now my chicken kebabs are ready. I went ahead and grilled them for about 12 minutes, and I flipped them every few minutes so they could cook evenly. And I'm going to be serving this with basmati rice. And this is the final look of chicken kebabs. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.